কেন কি করবেন?
বাস সামনে ছিল, সামনে একটা বাস ছিল বলে দেখা যায়নি, আমিও দেখতে পাইনি। আমি তোমার বাসের অ্যাঙ্গেলে দেখা যায়নি, আমি লড়বো তোমার জন্য, চলো আমি লড়বো তোমার হয়ে, তো কোনো চাপ নেই। গাড়ি লাগাও।
কোথায় যেতে হবে?
কি এই তো দীঘা, কাকা চলে এসছে দীঘার বাস, ওকে বাঁচিয়ে দিয়ে ওকে তো কেস দেবে এখন পয়সা খাওয়ার জন্য। সিগন্যাল দেখেনি তাই। হ্যাঁ আমি এখন ওর হয়ে লড়বো, ওর আমার ভাই আছে, বন্ধু আছে, চলুন আমি কথা বলছি। আই উইল টক টু ইউ, লেটস মুভ। ট্রিপটা অফ করো দাদা। হ্যাঁ তুমি নামো, ট্রিপটা অফ করে দেখো, ওলা মানি আছে প্রবাবলি। চলো চলো স্যার কোথায় দেখো। আমি একটা ব্লগ বানাচ্ছি, আমি দীঘা যাচ্ছি, আমি যেটা কথা বলছি সেটা আমি বলবো, তুমি চলো, কোনো প্রবলেম নেই তো, তোমার তো কাজ ধরা তুমি ধরেছো। আই হ্যাভ গট নো প্রবলেম গাইস টু ফাইট ব্যাক। ক্যামেরাটা আমি আমাকে রেকর্ড করছি, আমি সেটা করতেই পারি। গাড়ি লক করেছো? তোমার ডিকিতে আমার লাগেজ আছে কিন্তু। Hey guys, let me tell you what happened right now. We have just come to Planet to take a bus for Digha, but the Civic, he has just caught us because the Ola driver who was driving the car, he couldn't see the signal. So that's the reason we are going to face a hassle right now, I think. So I'm going to get a record so that guys, yes, you can understand how the Kolkata police is also behaving with normal people and all these things, all right? তুমি তো ডেকে নিয়ে এলে হঠাৎ করে, তোমাকে তো বলছি আমি, তুমি যখন বুঝতে পারছো যে আমি ওর শট দেবো তখন তুমি ওকে এখন যা বলছো। Look guys, now the Civic is let us go. All right, that is how the scenario is in Kolkata right now, so you can understand what's happening. Stay tuned with me, I will get back in touch with you very soon. Hey guys, now I have just reached at the hotel right now, and this is the hotel name is Seagull. Yes, Seagull Hotel, and I have booked this hotel by using an app named Make My Trip, and I got few discounts off here, and I got a cottage. You can see the room, like I'm standing in the balcony right now. Let me show you the cottage. This is how it looks like, all right? And there is a bathroom outside of this because there is a door. If you just open it, there is the main door, and that is the washroom. So I believe this is a good room. I got a good mirror here, and the TV is on. And yes, the best part of this hotel is, yes buddy, what I can tell you, I got the sea, like that is the sea. I can see from here. Yes, I will zoom and I will let you know. You can see that even. I don't know whether you can see it or not because I can see like myself as black. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now, I'll be checking out the swimming pool as well. This hotel has got swimming pool. You can see the little children are playing in the ground right now. This is a nice place, so you gotta understand, people are taking the pictures and all. So there is also a cottage, and this is the family room. Like if you are a big family, you can get this room and all. And the children are playing over here, and I have got the backside of mine. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, like I'm gonna go off right now because I have to make sure my food is coming, and I'm feeling very much hungry. Guys, what I'm just gonna do right now, I'm gonna take my bowl right now, and I'm gonna take my food, and after that I'm gonna go to the swimming pool. So you can also go ahead and act with me, like enjoy with me. So that's all for this time, so I'll see you later on. Bye bye, you have a great time. You can see the direct sea from the roof, and yes, you can dive into the swimming pool, and the height, I mean the deep, is not more than the chest of my height. Like my height is 5'10", so you can now calculate all by yourself. So what I'm gonna do right now, we are taking all the costumes and everything from the hotel, and we are getting to dive. Like we are going to dive in the swimming pool. So guys, subscribe my channel. Yes, don't forget to press the bell icon as well. And yes, let me just go and get some swim. Bye bye, see you soon. Hey, good morning guys. Yesterday you have seen like we enjoyed in the sea beach. It was so airy, and yes, then we came back home, we took our food and we went to sleep. And yes, if you haven't subscribed my channel, I'm sorry, what I'm talking about. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So stay connected with me guys. You can see what I'm doing. So if you're in Digha, if you're planning to move to Digha, if you're planning to travel Digha for a vacation or something, I would suggest you go for Seagull. That is the hotel. You can see you can get parking and everything here. I'm going to give them 5-star rating because that is a nice hotel. The hospitality, the entire hotel people are very good. Their behavior is very good. So I've got a nice place, a nice balcony to see the sea. Yes, a nice word. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. We are gonna go out and we're gonna visit some other places, guys. So stay with me. Hey guys, now we are in the sea beach in Digha. You can see here. This is the scenario. Now the horse rider has asked me whether I will be booking them or not, but let me go ahead and show you the sea background of mine. There is the seas. So that's how we are doing here. We have taken our lunch. Now we are in beach. We will be spending some time here. Then we are gonna go back to our hotel room after a few times. So stay connected with my video guys, and yes, do not forget to subscribe. How many times do I have to tell you? Alright, anyway, so I'll talk to you once I'll be hotel. The entry is not permissionable. They are not letting us entry in this aquarium with cameras. So what I'm gonna do, we found here that is a skeleton of a bride's well, which has been found in Digha only. So that they have placed it outside of this aquarium. So you can see this. I'm gonna show you. You can pause the video, you can read if you want. Now guys, I have come to the Mohana where you can find lots of fish and all, because those people every time they go to the sea to fish, and yes, they take 2-3 days as per I have got an inquiry. Like I made an inquiry and I came to know like that takes 10-12 days to fish, and after that what they do, like they come here and they sell it out. So I'm gonna show you like the total entire area. We came here to collect some fish because hills are pomfret, lots of fishes are available out here. I'm gonna show you. You can see in the backside of mine lots of like small businessmen are sitting and they are selling the fishes and everything. So there is a market, you can go, definitely come here. And yes, we are leaving this Digha after a few moments because I have got checkout time at 12 o'clock. We will be heading towards our homes. Hey guys, now we have just come down, got down from the bus, and we are pretty much tired, you can see. And yes, I have got my glass in this bag, so I have to find it because it's afternoon time, but still I'm wearing my sunglasses. You know how does it like matter? So I have already, yeah, it's probably evening. Yeah, it's gonna be evening because I can see the light still, so I called it an afternoon. So what I'm gonna do right now, like we are gonna go home, we're gonna take rest, and yes, I will be uploading this video very soon so that you can come to know about this. And yes, what? See you in the next video. Say bye bye. Bye bye.